Hi, in this film we show you how to install a two-piece seismic snubber. These snubbers are used for earthquake protection of equipment which are isolated with open springs. Let's begin. Position the clips of the snubber to the equipment base. Make sure its stud is properly aligned to the centre of the snubber's body part. Drill the holes to the base. Alternatively, you can weld the clips to the base. There has to be a 6mm gap between the clips and the body of the snubber. Now mark the anchor points. Make sure the bolts are long enough for the washer and nut to fix it. Move the base with your foot and see if it is floating freely. The base should be freely floating on the isolators, but within the 6mm clearance. Make sure you read our installation guidelines, which include step-by-step instructions. For other product and installation videos, don't forget to sign up to our channel.